So now that the grille's cut out, or the shell, loosely install it. 6 clips, 6 bolts. Simple, no holes to drill. Just loosely do it. Make sure it's center. Flip it over. Just give it a check. Visually looks pretty good. I'll go as far as taking a tape, especially on these because it's straight. 1 3/8 inches. 1 3/8, so that's good that way. About 3/4 to the headlight. Perfect. Right to the bottom of the P. Also let you know that it's straight. Now that you know that it's straight, flip it back over. I just do it by hand. Tighten them up. Those are already tight. I just left one loose just to show you that I just do it by hand. Because at the end of the day, it's just plastic. You don't need to use power tools or, you know, ratchets. They got lock washers on them. So they're all nice and tight. Yeah, that's good, good. As you can see, nice and tight, nice and even. Simple, totally changes the look. Can customize any way you want. Can do emblems on here. Light it up on the back. We do light bars. Pretty much endless. Let me grab a little emblem just to give you an idea once I find it. Only cutout I could find quickly. But just give you an idea, this is obviously massive. We the people, American flag. Put that right in the middle. Bolt it up, powder coat a different color. Whatever you can think of. Like I said, that's not really emblem size, but hell, it fits and makes a statement. But there you go. 07 through 2018, I believe. Jeep Wrangler inserts. Until the next one.